The typical graduation includes a cap, gown, and diploma, but for the 1st Iraqi Infantry Division's Commando Battalion, it includes live ammunition, clearing mock buildings, and the evacuation of a casualty. These commandos are the Iraqi equivalent to the U.S. Army Rangers, standing a cut above their peers. The advanced course didn't focus on the 82nd Airborne Division training the Iraqis, but instead they observed from the sidelines and suggested techniques to fine-tune the commandos' already harmonized tactics.
It was a good training that improved our abilities and added to our experience.
The graduation ceremony for the commando training began with a demonstration of the commandos' abilities and ended with Colonel Muhammad handing out certificates. During the demonstration, the 2nd Advise and Assist Brigade stood behind the line of fire and watched the commandos smoothly run through the urban assault course without the assistance of any paratroopers.
I am ready to go to do any kind of duties or missions. I have good skills. I have learned a lot from this training, so I feel confident I can do everything.
Army Sergeant Tony McCaslin, Fallujah, Iraq.